What's going on, my healthy people? It's your boy Sid, and he is back with another vid. Let me stop. Anyway, today's video is unboxing. Well, I already unboxed it, but I got a new camera. My camera finally came in. It's called a video camcorder. That's what it's called. Design videos name too. I can show you from Amazon where I got it from. It doesn't really have a name. I'm gonna put it right there. But anyway, let me show you. Well, first, obviously, you have your microphone. Of course, you got a neat microphone. I'm gonna show you how the camera runs. Yeah, I'm keep y'all interested. You got your charger, replaceable and rechargeable charger. You got your adapter. You got your cord if you want to plug it into the TV, so you can show your recordings on the TV. And my favorite part, it comes with a remote, so you can like be over there and like control everything. You know, you got the power button, you got the light button. It does have the flashlight on it. You got the zoom in, the zoom out, recording, menu mode, all that good stuff. And that's good. Then, man, it's a great camera, man. You know, I took it on. I thought it was crappy. I thought like, dang, this is a good motherfucking camera. But I'm gonna show y'all the beautiful camera. Yes, isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna turn it on for y'all kids. Let me unplug that. Wait. By the way, this is for the microphone. You plug it to the microphone, connect to the camera. Yep. Let me turn it on for you. Ooh, welcome. Look at that. Hold on. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You know, looking at me and whoa. But it's beautiful, man. So you got your. You know what? With that remote, I'm using remote. So y'all can see. Okay, so the record button is right here, obviously. Zoom in and zoom out is right here. If you don't believe me, I can show you. See that? Photo, if you want to take a photo, it's right there. If you want to record, or I just told you to record. That's your USB part. That's your mic, and that is the TV. I'm gonna go to menu. Okay, you got menu. There we go. All right, now here. Well, I can't really see it, but you guys can. But here you got crap. You got your camera. You got your resolution. You got your beauty face. You know, you got all these options you can use to you know, have better quality in your footage. And you also have more. If I just go over here, I'm glad I got this remote because you know it's a lot easier. And you know you got the ISO and there's more. And if you want a more full detail in review, and I could show you that, but I'm just showing you, you know, how beautiful it is. You know, it's an amazing camera. I mean, small pack, good for vlogging, YouTubing, reaction videos. Yep, it's max megapixel, 24 megapixels. Full HD, 1920, 1080p. That's not bad for this kind of camera, especially for the price. It's really good. Good stabilization, so you know when you're shaking, you're like, you know, good stabilization. And 16 times zoom in. Unique zoom in. You know, it's beautiful. But that's the battery. And yes, it's detachable. You just pull this right here, pull it, and it comes. Crap. It will basically just come out of place. But yeah. Yeah, man, that is my, that is my beautiful camera. Yes, and I will be recording with this, vlogging, you know, better quality. You don't have to worry about the cell phone camera anymore. I mean, iPhone's not bad, but you know, it's an actual camera. So, yeah, man, and I get the microphone. You guys can hear me better too? I think you got it the wrong way, but still. But yeah, but we got that nice camera, guys. But I hope, I really hope you guys enjoyed that beautiful vid of me. Oh yeah, that of me. Crap, what's that? Of me showing y'all the camera and the accessories. Oh yeah, I forgot. Also comes with paperwork, something like that. But anyway, but if you guys want to, doubt it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that vid. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that share button, comment. Please, comment. But anyway, until then, I will see you guys in the next vid. Stay humble, stay hopeful. Person is out. Peace.